The Ward 8. This one sounds like it was named after one of those terrible horror movies from the early noughties about a haunted hospital ward, which everyone used to be terrified about when it was shown in the cinemas. In reality, this cocktail has more of a normal background with its links to the city of Boston, and it's an old drink too, way before Prohibition, so classical in every sense. The ingredient lineup: Rye Whiskey, Rittenhouse, which I always think is named after a character from a really bad US high school film from the 1980s. We've also got fresh orange juice, fresh lemon juice and Grenadine. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces of 60ml of rye whiskey to our shaker. Follow this up with a bar spoon of Grenadine, and I went a little bit overboard here. Then we want half an ounce as 15ml of fresh orange juice. Lastly, add half an ounce as 15ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History wise, this cocktail was thought to have been created in 1898 at the Loch Over Cafe and was created in honour of local politician Martin Lomasney, who was the boss of Ward 8 in Boston. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. I'm going to garnish this with some cherries. The taste test. This tastes like sour rye whiskey to me. That's the best way to explain it from my perspective. It doesn't feel balanced. I honestly can't see the difference in the orange juice and lemon juice split, which I did have really high expectations for, and it gets totally overpowered by the rye. A better standard Grenadine would make this much more better and up in the volume of the supporting ingredients. I'm not a big fan of this. I'm going to give this 4.8 out of 10.